200, midpoint 600, roll out 1,600. Heading 170, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, traffic 3 mile, final is a heavy 767.
170, clear for takeoff, 18 left, copy the traffic, Southwest 708.
Tower, confirm FedEx 1432 Heavy, clear to land on 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, that is affirmative, 18 left, you are clear to land, traffic departure, Roger, around 737.
Roger.
Southwest 708, confirm on the road.
Southwest aboard. FedEx is on the go.
Southwest 708 for Roger, clear right for 8. Negative. Maintain 3,000, maybe the time of heading 080.
Wind turn to 080 3000, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
It's 1432 Heavy, Roger, sir. You have our apologies. We appreciate your professionalism.